yield the floor
Yes.
to just one manifestation and one question.
Yes, Mr. President, I'll be more than happy to receive
I
questions.
understand that you have already restored the NEP level, no? Kasi narinig ko 333 million na instead of less than 162.
Yes, Mr. President.
So-
In fact, more than the NEP level. The NEP is 170. And then we granted the request of AMLAC. Upon your recommendation, Mr. President, during the budget deliberations, I remember you strongly recommend to increase the budget of AMLAC considering what's happening right now. So the new budget of AMLAC is 333 million, Mr. President.
So I assume there are no more complaints from the AMLAC, from the executive director. And the rest of the
Nakangiti na, Mr. President. Si ED, malaki na yung ngiti niya.
Thank you, Mr. President. And which leads me to my next question. Are they into the web of accounts already in their investigation? Because I understand they have already initiated the freezing of accounts, but the amended Anti-Money Laundering Act authorizes the council to even go further into the web of accounts so we can recover more. Kasi kung nalipat na sa mga kamag-anak, sa kapatid, sa kaibigan, kung kani-kanino, pwede pang habulin, di po ba?
Yes, Mr. President, the answer is in the affirmative that they have already gone into the web of accounts. They've looked into the accounts of the relatives, the friends, the people who are close to these personalities, Mr. President.
And without going to the details, anong multiplier effect? Mga how many times? Tenfold, ninefold, eightfold, double, triple, quadruple? Ano lang, estimate lang, parang projection lang. Kasi I heard na nasa 5.2 billion pa lamang yung nahagip ng frozen accounts. That's minuscule compared to the enormity of the amounts involved.
7.7. Right now, Mr. President, they've already frozen 7 billion,
Okay.
Mr. President, and they're constantly monitoring the web of accounts, Mr. President. So the executive director said that they're very optimistic that this 7 billion will still go up, Mr. President. So they're coordinating with the banks.
By
Mr.
how many
President.
times? Projection lang.
Yes, sir.
Para lang medyo makatulog tayo na mahimbing sa mga efforts ng Senate Committee Chairman ng Finance, including all the senators for that matter.
So ang conservative estimate po is 3 times the 7 billion, Mr. President. So yun po ang kanilang conservative pa yon, Mr. President.
Correct,
Conservative
Mr. I
estimate.
understand, Mr. Chairman. Kasi kung tenfold, baka mag-amend pa ulit tayong dalawa, magdagdag pa tayo. Thank you anyway. Thank you,
Mr. President.
And thank you, Chairman Gatchalian.
Thank you. Maraming salamat
Alright.
po.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, with no